Hi everyone. Welcome to Techrealty Rentals. We're committed to making your living experience easy, safe, and stress-free. Today, we're breaking down a question we get all the time. What counts as emergency maintenance and what's considered regular maintenance? Let's make it simple. What is emergency maintenance? Emergency maintenance includes anything that puts your safety at risk or could cause major damage to the home if not fixed immediately. No heat or AC in extreme temperatures. Burst or leaking pipes. Flooding or sewage backup. Electrical outages or exposed wiring. Gas leaks or strong smell of gas. Fire or carbon monoxide concerns. If any of these happen, contact our emergency maintenance line right away. We're here for you. 24/7 to keep you safe. What is regular maintenance? Regular maintenance includes issues that are inconvenient but not dangerous and do not require same-day service. Sink not draining, flooring issues, malfunctioning appliances, minor cosmetic repairs, lights, fans, sockets. For these types of repairs, simply submit a maintenance request through your resident portal and our team will schedule a visit during normal business hours. How to reach us? For emergencies, call our 24/7 emergency maintenance line at 704-26-4737. For regular repairs, log into your resident portal and submit a maintenance ticket anytime. Thank you for watching.